Start by locating the V3 DAC and connector cable. Insert the cable into the port located on the bottom of the DAC. Securely attach the DAC device to the back of the tablet case using the magnetic mounting strip. Next, plug the other end of the cable into the charging port of the tablet. Securely attach the DAC device to the back of the tablet case using the magnetic mounting strip. Now, take the radio ear DD450 headphones. You will notice the cables are color-coded with red and blue connectors. Plug the red connector into the corresponding red port on the DAC device and plug the blue connector into the blue port. Ensure both are inserted all the way. The hearTest device is now fully assembled and ready for use.